Okay, it's been a while since we've been out here.
Can you see?
Yeah. Please don't play any music. We don't need that right now. Anyways, it's been a while since we've been out here. Last year, as a matter of fact. So, yeah, I haven't been out here at all this year. So, let's see if there's any new developments or changes that have taken place. So, I hate it when they play music. It screws up these videos. But anyways. Yeah, we're still doing the social distancing, it looks like. Keep right to maintain social distancing. And then what's this one say? No stepping on 3D images. Okay. So, whatever. Not much has changed in that regard. 2021. Haven't been out here since they put up this 2021 here, so.
We don't have photo yet for 2021.
Nope. Nope, we sure do not. So, just kind of doing some catching up here. Now that's new. That stuff right there, whatever you call that. Awning. Let's take a look.
See, the boats are here already.
Oh yeah. So we got the boats parked up here. Okay. Loading area. Oh, this works. Yeah. See, last time we were out here, they hadn't set this up completely. So, anyways, this is all new. Last time I was out here, or last time we were out here, this was not here. This walkway and this, God dang it, what do you call these things? Anyways, yeah. This is all new construction.
Take a photo.
Okay, picture time. Alright. Yay, pictures. So yeah, let's take a walk down this way real quick. It's pretty nice. So this is all loading area where you catch your boats to go out to the islands. It's a wonderful evening.
Take a photo with that behind me, the boats.
Okay. So yeah, nice and peaceful out here. Not a lot going on. Those guys standing around back there, they're boat operators, I do believe. So they're just waiting to get some people to bring out to the islands, I'm sure. Well, it's almost 5 o'clock p.m., so they're probably done for the day, I would imagine. Take a walk down here. Gonna take a picture of me with the camera. Stuck in my gut. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. There we go. Wow, what a nice night. Early evening. Yeah. It's pretty slick. So yeah, this is a new change. definitely. All this is just recently constructed. I can dig it. Oh, here's something else I just seen. In addition to all this new construction, oh, here we go. It's called the Alley. Alaminos City, the Alley. So that's what it's called. So in addition to all that, and then the new loading area out there, which I think is pretty nice. 3D images, I could really care less about those on the ground over there. That just, to me, is unnecessary. But this also, all new picnic tables, it looks like, and miniature tennis courts. It looks like badminton courts. Either way, a nice little addition to the park. So a little net. I would probably do badminton up here. Not so much tennis, but definitely badminton would be fun. Come out here with your badminton rackets and goof around. Yeah, that'd be nice. And these picnic tables, some of these look new. These black ones here, these marble-looking ones, whatever. Those look like they're brand new. I don't ever remember seeing those. No, the concrete ones. The concrete ones, maybe they were here before, but the regular concrete ones?
Yeah, they are here, but now they're out.
I don't even know if those were there, but anyways, these for sure are new. These black ones. So, and these light fixtures up here?
No.
Those look new.
They're all new, huh?
Yeah, they really put some money into this place. It looks really, really nice. Now, if we could just get the damn place open 100%, yeah, that'd be great. Coconut trees are looking nice. Kids are out here having fun.
Let's come over tomorrow and then we'll play.
Let's take a walk around here a little bit. Yeah, see where we're at right now, where we're walking, right here.
This is the boat thing.
This is, yeah, the water would come all the way up and through here, and the boats were parked in here. And this is where you loaded the boats. It's all filled in. Now it's all filled in, and as you can see, put some good use, I guess. Kind of made the park bigger, but still didn't take away the functionality of the boat operations going out to the islands. So we're still good there. Yeah, looks really good. Where'd she go? She's over there. I guess these are the 3D images over here. Yep, we continue our exploration of Lucap Wharf 2021. If you go back through my videos, you'll see 2020, I'm sure, but you will definitely not see 2021. So here's the update of what's going on currently. Yes, we are still wearing face masks and face shields. That's pretty much goes without saying. Looks like Maxine restaurant is open, I would safely presume. Last time we were out here it was not. So it looks like they have their doors open again. We used to go there quite a bit. Lately we've been going to Island Tropic for our dining. For our dining pleasure. So anyways, Kind of walk over this way again. Get away from this music. Those of you who post videos on YouTube know exactly why I want to get away from this area. What's that? Yellow, yellow, which one? This one here? Want me to take a picture of you?
No,
Oh, you want, okay. Yeah, that is pretty. Well, I tell you what, when I was in the Marine Corps, I would have loved to have had duty like this. Just hang out and watch everybody walk around. Might get a little boring, but I would have taken it. Gunnery Sergeant Barnes, you're being reassigned to Lucap Wharf. Oh no, really? You gotta be kidding me. Am I in the 3D images? Boy, that sucks. Yep, we're shipping you to the Philippines to sit around Lucap Wharf and watch people walk around. Damn. Oh, that just sucks. Not. I would love it. Give me hazardous duty pay. Because everybody knows a big freaking huge tsunami could fly up over that horizon at any time. You just never know. So yep, this is one of those days you got to be ready for some hot tropical heat, because ready and prepared, because it is here. Oh, the, Eden's checking out. She's checking out the plants.
One of the branches.
Oh yeah, the tree is still up, huh? What's up with that? All right, whatever. So that's looking back the other way, back towards the arch. Now we're coming down here at the end, the west end, I guess you could say.
Street food section.
Where it's, yeah, street food and vendors and souvenir shops and all that good jazz. I don't know, you want to snoop around back there real fast? Just kind of show what's back here. Dude, 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 dude. Hello. Hey. Just kind of take a quick gander.
Ma'am.
Buka shake po. Mango grain,
Mango grain,
ma'am.
That's a
Mango graham shake.
Oh, okay. So here we are. Soon. We're going to be going. Well, not yet. So that's the road leading in.
Looks like they're going to have
Let's walk around.
something here.
Like when?
I don't know.
Yeah, they usually pull the buses in here, the tour buses, whatnot, when they arrive from other areas of the Philippines or Luzon. They'll park the buses down in this area, unload passengers, tourists, and let them mosey over towards the boats and do their 100 Islands thing. We're gonna go out there here pretty soon. We gotta get out there. It's been a while.
Go to Tondo.
Yep.
Ninang are waiting.
Yep.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Huh?
I'm ready.
Okay, then I will let them know.
All right. So that's pretty much it. We're down here at the end, kind of the entrance. The entrance and exit right there, going out to the roadway. So, and that's kind of like where we just came from. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This is Lucap Wharf 2021. Some of the latest and greatest updates and developments and changes and whatnot. So, have a nice day. We will talk to you soon. Later, guys. Bye.